In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to track your lost or stolen Android phone or Android tablet from any other device like an Apple iPhone or maybe an Android phone, whatever it is. If your phone is lost or stolen, I'm very sorry about that, but let's try and see how we could track it right now so that we try and get your phone back. So once you have a phone, you go ahead and click on Google Chrome or whatever browser you want to use, and you get to the incognito or use private browsing, okay, and do a search for Find Hub out here. Once you do that, you click on Find Hub, you sign in with the same email address that was on the lost or stolen phone. By default, this application is going to be showing you how to track people on Google Find Hub, but you need to click on this option out here to find for devices. So whatever devices are attached to this email ID is going to be shown out here. So if this is your lost or stolen phone, click on that, and you're going to see your phone location on maps, and you have two options out here to see it on maps. If you are confused about the location, you could click on the pin and you're going to get the coordinates of this specific place. But if you think you don't need the coordinates, you want to view it in satellite mode, you click on satellite, and then you're going to see that it is in a specific building. So if you recognize this building, you go ahead to this place and get your phone back. So once you're here, if you get your phone back, well and good. If you do not, you could go ahead and click on play sound to play sound, so that even if your phone is in silent mode, it is going to ring. Now, if you're still not getting your phone, select the second option, mark as lost. Once you click on this option, you are going to get an option to go ahead and put in a message and lock your phone. So if your phone is still online, your phone is going to get locked and a message is going to be displayed out there. So as a message, you could just put in your phone number and your details, so that if anybody finds your phone, if they want to give it back to you, they could actually call and give back your phone. Remember, not everybody would want to steal your phone. We still have good human beings on earth. But if you think you're not going to get back your phone, you want to safeguard your data on your phone so that nobody else misuses it, select the third option, factory reset device. So if you click on this option, when your phone comes online, it is definitely going to get erased. So whatever data is on your Google account, it's going to get erased for you. So apart from this, what I would also suggest is get to the local authorities. So once you get to the police station, just give them a written application and get an attested copy back so that you have proof that you filed in a complaint. Because if your phone is lost and it is getting misused, maybe for 1 or 2 days or 10 days or whatever it is, if you get it back later on, if there was any kind of a criminal activity that went on during the time period your phone was lost or stolen, you are not going to get pulled up for it. So if you have any doubts or questions, do let me know in the comment section below, or you could even send me an email. I'm all ears.